Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing a super cute chibi version of Wonder Woman, one of the most iconic superheroes in comic book history. In this drawing, she's striking a confident pose and waving, looking heroic and adorable at the same time. If you're new here, don't forget to follow the channel and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people out there. All right, grab your pencil, paper, get comfy, and let's begin. And remember, if any moment feels tricky, feel free to pause the video and take your time, okay? Let's start with the eyes. Draw two large chibi-style eyes with big highlights and soft eyelashes to give Wonder Woman a bright and friendly expression. We started the tutorial using black outlines, but later we changed them to a dark blue tone to make the drawing feel softer and more harmonious. You can try that too if you like. Wonder Woman first appeared in All-Star Comics number 8 in 1941. She was created by psychologist and writer William Moulton Marston. Wonder Woman is one of the three most iconic DC superheroes alongside Superman and Batman. Above the eyes, draw thick, curved eyebrows that help emphasize her confident and heroic personality. Her real name is Princess Diana of Themyscira. Themyscira is the hidden island homeland of the Amazons. In the center of the face, add a tiny, delicate nose shaped like a small, inverted V. Now draw a happy, open smile, giving her a cheerful and welcoming expression. Now imagine a large rounded shape around the face to build the head. In Chibi style, the head should be much bigger than the body. On the side of the head, draw a small rounded ear and add a simple circular earring. Draw Wonder Woman's iconic tiara across her forehead and add the small star symbol right in the center. Wonder Woman's bracelets are said to deflect bullets and powerful attacks. One of her most famous weapons is the lasso of truth, which forces anyone caught in it to tell the truth. Now, sketch her long, wavy hair surrounding the head. During the coloring stage, we can add soft blue highlights to give the hair more depth and shine. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. You can also check out our Chibi Characters playlist by clicking the card in the upper corner of the screen. There, you'll find many characters from different franchises drawn in this adorable style. And tell me in the comments, which character would you like to see next, and in which style? Retro cartoon, modern cartoon, or chibi? Continue the hair flowing downward until it reaches approximately the height of her hips. Wonder Woman became one of the first major female superheroes in comic book history. She has appeared in countless animated series over the decades. The character has also starred in multiple animated movies from DC. Draw a very small and simple neck connecting the head to the body. Sketch a delicate upper body to keep the proportions cute and chibi-like. Now, draw the classic red corset with the golden eagle emblem on the chest. actress Gal Gadot played Wonder Woman in the modern DC live-action films. Her first solo live-action movie was released in 2017. The film became one of the most successful superhero movies led by a female character. Add the golden belt around her waist. Draw the hips using a rounded circular shape to keep the silhouette soft and cute. Now draw the short blue shorts. Scatter simple little stars across the fabric without worrying about perfect symmetry. Wonder Woman is known not only for strength, but also for compassion and wisdom. Her outfit colors are inspired by the American flag. The Amazons in DC mythology are based on the legendary warrior women from Greek mythology. Draw 2 short, chubby legs to reinforce the chibi proportions. Add Wonder Woman's iconic boots with simple red and white details. Wonder Woman is often portrayed as an ambassador of peace between humans and Amazons. She is considered a symbol of empowerment and justice. Even in chibi form, Wonder Woman still looks powerful, heroic, and adorable. Now draw the left arm, short and rounded, with the hand open and relaxed. Don't forget to include her famous silver bracelet. Draw the right arm raised in a friendly waving gesture, also wearing the bracelet. For colors, you can use black hair with blue highlights, a red corset, blue shorts with white stars, golden accessories, and red boots, but feel free to color your drawing however you like. And here's our chibi Wonder Woman, cute, heroic, and ready to save the day. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.